Do you ever worry about the future? Do you feel anxiety is holding you back in life? Whether it's social interactions, hesitating to speak up in meetings, or constantly second-guessing yourself, anxiety can feel overwhelming and debilitating. In this video, we'll explore 5 practical ways to overcome anxiety. These strategies will help you relieve stress, build up strength, and thrive in challenging situations. Let's dive in. Physical activity is one of the best ways to manage anxiety. It releases endorphins, reduces stress hormones, and boosts your overall mood. Even just 10 to 20 minutes a day can make a big difference. Go for a brisk walk, try yoga, or dance to your favorite playlist. Find an activity you can enjoy and make it a daily habit. This will help you release pent-up stress, improve your mood, and give you the mental clarity to face your day with confidence. Imagine you're wearing a pair of tinted glasses that make everything look darker than it actually is. Those glasses represent our reality and how we view the world. Our negative perceptions fuel our anxiety, distort our vision, and make challenges seem bigger than they really are. Reframing our thoughts is like swapping those glasses for a clearer pair. It helps us see situations as they truly are, without the unnecessary fear or negativity. So when a negative thought arises, pause and ask yourself this: is this thought realistic? What's the worst and best case scenarios here? How can I make the situation better? Take a moment to think of an anxious thought you've recently had. Now imagine the worst possible outcome and how to avoid it. Then imagine the best possible outcome and think of how to achieve it. This method will challenge any distortions and replace them with a more balanced and constructive perspective. Writing down your thoughts helps you process your emotions and identify where this anxiety is coming from. Try this. Spend 5 minutes each day writing about your feelings. Find out what triggers your anxiety. In doing so, you will put your finger on the cause of your anxiety and find ways to resolve your life problems. According to a recent study from Harvard, planning ahead significantly reduces anxiety and boosts confidence. When you have a clear plan, your brain is better equipped to handle stress and uncertainty, especially in unfamiliar or challenging situations. For example, think of 2 to 3 topics you can talk about in advance in social situations. You can plan a few questions about recent news or mention interesting facts about your hobbies. So in the future, think about an upcoming event that makes you feel nervous. Ask yourself this: how can you prepare in advance to make the situation easier to handle? This way, you feel less anxiety in your life and boost your confidence to navigate any situation. Picture this: you're at a social event and you're surrounded by many people. Everyone around you seems to be enjoying themselves. They're all talking to one another and having a good time. But there you are standing on the sidelines, wondering if you should speak to someone new. Every time you consider approaching a person, your heart races and you decide, maybe later. The fact is, anxiety feeds on avoidance, and the longer you wait, the worse it gets, and the harder it feels to make a move. Taking small steps, like saying hello, can reduce fear and over time build momentum towards bigger changes. In the long term, you will find yourself ever so confident in approaching people and having great conversations. Therefore, take a moment to think about this. What small actions can you take today to overcome anxiety? Set a challenge for yourself this week. Identify one situation where anxiety usually holds you back, and take one small step forward. Anxiety can be a heavy burden that ruins the quality of your life. In this video, you learned 5 strategies which empower you to eliminate stress, build confidence, and live a healthy lifestyle. The key is consistency. By practicing these techniques regularly, you'll strengthen your resilience and create a stronger, more confident version of yourself. And before we end the video, I'd like you to think about this. How do you usually cope with anxiety? Have you ever tried any of these techniques before? Did they work for you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your story can be the inspiration someone else needs on their journey to self-improvement. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical advice to help you expand your horizons and live a more empowered and successful life. See you in the next video.